Hi ladies, I'm Maya. Today I'm going to be doing a bit of a makeup. What I was pointing to just there was my pigmentation that I'm going to be addressing. So I started off with a little spritz, as you can see. Then I'm just applying some liquid sunshine. I've already put on my SPF. Now what you can see here is the pearl drops. So I just want a little bit more coverage. Like I said, I'm 50 and I've got some pigmentation going on. So what I've done is I've just added some of our pearl drops, which will be launched next year. Very exciting. It's actually a concealer, but what I've done is add a bit to the pearl glow and the golden glow, just to give me that little bit of extra coverage without, you know, feeling like I have to wear a foundation. And as you can see, it's blended in my pigmentation, which I had through the sides of my face and on my neck quite well. Now all I'm doing is applying a bit of mascara, and then I'll do my brows, and that is pretty much my weekend look. And to be totally honest with you, this is pretty much my weekday look too. Lastly, I'm going to finish off with our beautiful lip gloss in one of my favorite colors, which is the watermelon. It's a soft, translucent, shiny, hydrating lip balm, which just feels amazing on the lips, and I love it. So I'm all ready for my Sunday, and this is for our beautiful 50 plus ladies.